presentation on the topic of adolescence. So first let me know about what is adolescence. It is a time period between the age of 10 to 19 years of human life, the transition phase between childhood and adolescence. In this phase, there are many changes come. There are four main changes come. Simple, they are physical change, emotional change, and social change. There are some examples. Physical change in girls, menstruation start, breast develop, skin change like acne, growth, body become too thin. These are the major changes seen in girls in adolescence. In boys, face and body hair growth, muscle mass, growth in height, different it will come from body, acne. These are the major changes seen in boys. In next, we put emotional and social change together because they are both connected. Both opposite sex attract toward each other. Our emotion change very quickly. These are the emotional and medical changes of social change. We want to be in leadership. We are getting more confident. We are formating our own unique personality, and we get connected with friends, even with family. Also, these are the major changes in adolescence and social change. These are the good you can be.
Good afternoon, it's me Arpana from UT. Today I am presenting a presentation on the topic of contraception and first of all, you know about what is contraception. Contraception means prevention of conception by using any device or without using any device. There are several methods of contraception. They are permanent method and temporary method. So there are several contraceptive devices available for men and women. These contraceptives are used for a certain period as per the needed. There is some temporary method device. First of all, condom. It is the male contraceptive device. Condom is a rubber tube, prevents discharge of semen into vagina during sexual intercourse. It is the most common and secure device for contraception. It is used on penis. Some markets name are Dal, Panchar, Zori, etc. Another is pills. It is the female contraceptive device. It is the oral jab. They interrupt the release of ovum from ovary. It stops the ovulation process. They are white and grey. It has 99% success rate. It must be used for doctor advice. Another is UID. This device is inserted into uterus. It has T-shape, plastic rod and copper wire. The copper wire treats with sperm and makes it inactive. It makes sperm kill. It works for 10 years. Another is Depo-Provera. It works in 3 months. It also stops ovulation process. Another is foam tablet. It is not used in mainly in Nepal. It is used into convicts about 15 minutes before sexual intercourse. It prevents passing of sperm. Another is implant. It is most effective and popular contraceptive methods offering. It should be instant within 7 days after the menstruation and immediately within 7 days after abortion. Other is femidom. Femidom is female condom. It is also not used in Nepal. Another is permanent method. Permanent method is also known as permanent sterilization. There are two types of permanent method: vasectomy, male sterilization. It is cheaper and take less time to do. The minor operations is done in vasectomy when the surely has done the vas reference and cut and tied by using sterilized fiber. It stop the flow the sperm to penis. Another is laparoscopy. It is the female sterilization. A minor surgery is done this method of contraception. The fallopian tubes are cut and tied in a mini lock which prevents fall of ovum from ovary. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरो नाम आयुषा।
नमस्ते, मेरो नाम हिमाल हो।
आज चाहिँ हामी फुड न्युट्रियन्ट्सको बारेमा भन्न गइरहेका छौँ।
Introduction. Nutrients are the compounds in food that provide us with energy and facilities repairs and growth and helps to carry out different life forces. Nutrients भनेको खानामा पाउने खाद्य तन्तु जसले हाम्रो शरीरमा तागत दिन्छ र हाम्रो शरीरलाई बढाउन मद्दत गर्छ.
Importance of nutrients. They yield energy in our body. They form new cells and tissues in our body. They help to build and grow our body. They protect us from the diseases and disorders. They develop our immunity power and make us strong. They carry and distribute all the required materials of the body. Yes, this is carbohydrate. It is sources of carbohydrate. It is
This is fat. These are the sources of fat and oil. The sources of fat and oil is ghee, curd, oil, etc.
This is protein. These are the sources of protein. Just meat, the liver, meat, fish, grains, etc.
This is vitamin. These are the sources of vitamin like apple, orange, grapes, tomato, pomegranate, egg, banana, etc. This is minerals. These are the sources of minerals like cabbage, lemon, apple, orange, radish, etc.
Namaskar. Balanced diet and food pyramid. Balanced diet provides your body with essential nutrients, carbs, proteins, fat, minerals, vitamin, fiber in the right proportion through a variety of food like fruits, veggies, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Importance of balanced diet. It promotes the physical and mental development. It enhances the sound growth of the body.
It prevents different nutritional disorders and diseases. It controls the malnutrition of the community and nation. Food pyramid. A food pyramid is a visual guide showing types amount of food we eat daily for a healthy life. Just carbohydrate. We can eat most because it give energy. Just like grains, rice, potato, etc. Vitamin and minerals. It also eat most because it protect our body. Orange, carrot, salad. It protects vitamin and minerals. It protects our body. The sources are orange, carrot, gooseberry, pulses, etc. Protein. It builds our body. The sources of it are grains, pulses, etc. Fat, cashew, etc. Fat. It gives energy us. The sources of fat are sugar, ghee, oil, curd, etc.